I'm Akash and welcome to Countries Info channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Iran. Before beginning this video, I would like to mention that the information that I have provided is from various sources. These sources are generally reliable, but there might be some error in the sources itself. So if you think there is some error, please let me know. So these are all the topics on which I am going to discuss. First of all, let us check the geographical position of Iran. So this dark red colored portion on this globe is Iran. It lies in the Western Asia region, and all these countries form the Western Asia region. This is the national flag of Iran. This is the national emblem of Iran. The flag is a tricolor in which the green color symbolizes growth, happiness, etc. White color symbolizes freedom. Red color symbolizes bravery, fire, life, love, etc. Some religious text is written in these two lines. Now let us look at the political map of Iran. Iran shares land borders with 7 countries, namely Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkey. Iran shares maritime borders with 10 countries, namely Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, Oman and Pakistan. So it shares maritime boundary with 10 countries. The major cities of Iran are Tehran, Mashhad, Tabriz, Ahvaz, Shiraz, Isfahan and Qom. These are the major cities of Iran. Now let us learn about some general facts of Iran. So the official name of Iran is Islamic Republic of Iran. Capital and the largest city is Tehran. Official language is Persian. The alphabets of Persian are derived from Arabic script. A person from Iran is known as Iranian or Persian. The currency of Iran is Riyal. So now let us look at the currency. So these are the frequently used banknotes and they have values such as 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 and also 100,000 note is also available. So these are the banknotes which are frequently used and the coins which are frequently used. So as of now 1 Indian rupees is approximately equal to 550 Iranian reals. This value is quite fluctuating. Population of Iran is around 84 million, which stands 18th in the world. This population is equivalent to that of the state of Madhya Pradesh in India, which has population of 86 million, and this has the 5th highest population in India. Area of Iran is around this much, which is the 17th biggest country in the world. It has water percentage of 7.0%. Iran uses 2 time zones. One is 3.5 hours ahead of the International Standard Time and another one is 4.5 hours ahead. This is done for summer's daylight saving. Human Development Index of Iran is 0.797, which stands 65th in the world. Let us have a glance look at the history of Iran. Iran has a very ancient past. In the medieval period, it was ruled by various emperors such as the Achaemenid, Parthian and Sasanian emperors. In the early modern period, it was part of various dynasties, and the last dynasty to rule over Iran was the Pahlavi dynasty. After that, an elected prime minister was chosen. Later on, this prime minister was overthrown by Shah Riza Pahlavi and he controlled Iran from 1951 to 1978. After that, Islamic Revolution happened in 1979 and Islamic Republic of Iran was established. Moving on to the next point, now let us try to understand the governance system of Iran. As usual, they have 3 bodies: executive, legislative and judicial. They have Supreme Leader, Guardian Council, President, Council of Ministers. The Supreme Leader is the highest state authority. Then the President and the Council of Ministers, they are elected for a term of 4 years. The type of government that they have in Iran is called as unitary theocratic republican authoritarian presidential system. In this image we can see how the members for various organizations are selected. This is the parliament building of Iran. This is called as the Islamic Consultative Assembly, which has 290 members and they are elected for a term of 4 years. Moving on to the next point, now let us look at the various administrative divisions of Iran. There are 31 provinces or states in Iran. In this map, all the 31 provinces have been shown. In this map, we can see the population density, and we can see from here that most of the people are concentrated in these 5 provinces itself. Moving on to the next point, now let us look at some of the geographical features of Iran. There are two main mountain ranges in Iran, Zagros mountain range, so this is the Zagros mountain range, and Alborz mountain range, so this is the Alborz mountain range. There are two salt deserts, Kavir and Lat salt desert, so here is the Kavir and here is the Lat salt desert. The largest river is Khurang or Karun, which is somewhat here. Largest lake is Lake Urma. This is the Lake Urma. And the highest point is Mount Damwat, which is located here, and this is 5610 meters. Now let us look at the climate map of Iran. Since this part is desert, therefore the climate out there is desert hot. The area just above the desert is desert cold. In the northwestern part we have colder climate, and in the southwestern part the climate is again hot. Now let us discuss about the demographics of Iran. I have mentioned here about the ethnic groups, languages and religion. Languages I have combined with ethnic groups since languages are closely associated with ethnicity. In this pie chart, percentage wise distribution of population of Iran in various ethnic groups is being mentioned. Majority of the people of Iran are Persians, then Azeris, then Kurds, Lurs, Arabs, Baloch, Turkmens, Talishis and others contribute around 1%. In this map we can see area-wise distribution of various ethnic groups in Iran. Now moving on to the next point, religion of Iran. So 98% of the population of Iran identify themselves as Muslims and only 2% are non-Muslims. In Muslim also around 90% are Shia, 2% follow some other Islamic groups and 8% are Sunnis. Now let us discuss about food. In Iranian culture, tea is widely consumed. Typical Iranian dishes are combination of rice with meat, vegetables and nuts. To these dishes, herbs and dried fruits are quite oftenly added, and flavoring of these dishes with saffron is also quite common. Second to rice, wheat-based bread are also quite common. Iran's most popular dessert is Falude. Now let us discuss about sports. Free wrestling is considered as the national sports of Iran. Football is the most popular sport in Iran, and it is most likely that the birthplace of polo is Iran. Now let us discuss about few points on economy of Iran. The economy of Iran is a mixed and transition economy. That means it has been undergoing few changes in the recent past. Iran's economy is dominated by oil and gas production. Oil and gas production contributes around 45% of government revenue. Iran has around 10% of world's oil reserves and around 15% of world's gas reserves. Therefore, Iran can be considered as an energy superpower. There have been economic sanctions against Iran, such as embargo against Iranian crude oil, which has affected the economy. These sanctions have led to steep fall in the value of rial. Tourism contributes around 6.5% to Iran's. In this table, we can see contribution of various sectors to the economy of Iran. Service sector contributes the most, then the industry, and lastly the agriculture sector. In this table we can see the distribution of workforce in various sectors. Agriculture sector employs the most, then the service sector, and later the various other sectors. Main import partners of Iran are China, South Korea, Germany, Turkey, India. Import goods consist mainly of industrial raw material, capital goods, foodstuffs, and other technical services. Main export partners consist of China, India, South Korea, Italy, and Japan. Export goods are mainly consisting of petrol and petroleum related products, also consist of automobiles, fruits and nuts, and carpets. Now let us discuss about the most interesting topic about the foreign relations of Iran. Iran maintains diplomatic relations with 99 members of United Nations but not with United States and Israel. Iran has strained relations with Saudi Arabia and its allies due to their differences in political and Islamic ideologies. Here in this map we can see here is Saudi Arabia, here is Iran, and all the red colored countries are the places where both of them are having a sort of proxy wars. Iran has good relations with Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Qatar, Yemen, Russia, China, and North Korea. Iran is a member of various international organizations such as United Nations, OIC, OPEC, WHO, and various others international. So these are all the sites from where I have collected the information. Next video I am going to make on Pakistan. So hope you liked the video, the information that I have provided. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.